So today we're going to go through the new Velocity Steath 500. So, pretty cool. It's definitely noticeably taller than my previous bag. I kind of like that though. You know, same quick disconnects, one-handed. You know, magnetic for reconnecting. Back here is a pouch, looks like for a tablet back here, which is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and open the inside. I'm gonna swap my tools over tonight, so you have this awesome, huge inside. You know, Pro Blast will be right here. Oh, wait, I show? Oh, look at that. Like the light. So, nice big pouches, so I can completely organize really good. And the back. Sorry. Everything one hand, it's horrible. Look at that. More pouches. More space back there. Snap shut. That's it. So let me do the swap over, and we'll see. I'll post a picture after we're done. All right, bag completely swapped out. So let's open up a little bit. So, missing a cutter to my truck. Some miscellaneous stuff here. My cheese saw's here for now. I forgot what to do with it. Missing one screwdriver. Missing mid-size. I'll find that in my truck someplace. And back here I have some bigger stuff I don't use that often. Some nut drivers, testers, rigid basin wrench, my floor blaster. So, side I have pretty much set up pretty good. Tape measure holder, I like that. This side I'm gonna put pencils and markers and my level. And I'll show you this here real quick. So, yes, nice, soft, padded. Definitely for a tablet or a little laptop. Can't wait to put it to use. Still love my other bag, but new bags are nice.